Let me show you how I did it.
I reach to frame the moment, hands already cold and slow. The screen went dark, the power gone, nothing left to show.
Good. That's you can't see through, and just set it up. Stop recording! Okay.
What's the problem? You wanted B-roll.
This isn't B-roll. This is me getting scrambling.
Here's his new camera idea.
Oh my god.
There it is, folks. Desperation at its finest.
Let's see if that can...
He's done with it, folks. That's it. That's it. That's all there is. Bring his trash can.
Just the sound of moving
Oh no, he's upset.
in the light that wouldn't stay. Then I looked
Don't
down
try and
at the
have fun around him when things don't go his way. Turns into an
I
ass.
started shaping what I needed out of instinct, out of will. I made a camera out of snow, let the light fall where it may. Nothing stored and nothing frozen, just the moment as it stays. No rewind, no second view, no evidence to see what I captured lives inside me. That's enough for me. Hollowed space and silent edges, cold pressed into my hands. A frame that holds no image, but I understand this world shines in a camera of frozen water. Some things don't need a record, some things don't need a name. If you're there when it's happening, it's never really gone away. I made a camera out of snow, let the light fall where it may. Nothing stored and nothing frozen, just the moment as it stays. No rewind, no